Hello, mine fans. Today we're messing with the old military Dodge here. Got Fritz over there up from Mexico to work on it again. And we put a lot of work into this thing over the last couple of years, and now we're going to see the fruition of that work. So after quite some time out here at the mines, we finally got the Dodge M-43 back on our tires. The engine's been rebuilt by Fritz there. Say hi, Fritz.
Hi.
And got her starting. Got her moving, sort of. The transmission linkage needs a little work. But question is, will it run? Will it stop? And we jumped in and took it for a ride here a few minutes ago. And I would like to have filmed that. But honestly, it took both hands and both feet and a lot of prayer to just keep this beast under control here. She's definitely a bit of a rough rider, but my God, she moves. She starts, she drives. And we are loving this beautiful piece of vintage Dodge, the M-43 ambulance. She's been a long time coming, but my God, she's great. So let's take a look and see what she does. People said we'd never get the ambulance moving.
Yep.
Dodge power. Ow. Takes those rocks good.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, driving the ambulance along, driving the ambulance along. Wishing I had a better song, but I'm driving the ambulance along. I like it. So there you go. We still got a lot of work to do on the ambulance. Some cosmetics, some mechanical, but eventually we'll have it as a Tecopa Mines work vehicle out here. And when we're done with her, she'll be donated to a proper military museum for long-term restoration and preservation. We'll never sell it or wreck it. She'll be preserved for the long term. If you want to help us out with this project, we can always appreciate the donations. Please consider joining our Patreon page, Tecopa Mines at Patreon, and subscribing there for a few bucks a month. Every little bit helps, and every little bit goes into these projects. So if nothing else, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like what we're doing, tell your friends. And if you don't like what we're doing, tell your enemies. Just tell someone and help us expand the content.